Did you get your phone out of it? Ooh, fire extinguisher.
Alright. Pull forward slow. Alright, stop.
Full throttle.
A little bit.
You won't. Oh.
God.
That rim's probably gonna blow apart.
A little bit.
I think I heard a tie rod.
Back up some.
I see a video of this before with a 7.3 hook to it, ripped the whole axle off from underneath it.
Back up. Oh, there's the hole.
This is the same thing Ryan Sheep did if we got stuck.
Nah, Ryan shut right off. His stalled. Ah, okay.
And then he had to pull in order to get him fired up and he wasn't flying.
There's probably water in it.
No, wrong way.
I heard a weird snapping sound when you were pulling on him.
It's probably just
Tired.
the shit out of the room over here. Can I try a little bit, Steve?
Go easy, please.
Oh, dude, he's almost rolled it. He almost rolled it.
Tell me what's going on. Get ready to bail, Steve.
Bail out the passenger side window. Don't dare come out the driver's side.
Oh my God.
Take it out full drive.
Now, time to come back over to here now.
Yeah, he wants you to go on the other side now.
Oh, let me get a little more time.
Oh, God. Take it at full drive. It's binding on the ass end. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
No! No! Steve! Fuck!
I told you to go get the chain, asshole. And what if it would have done?
Damn it! And my strap!
That ain't that bad. It'll bump out.
It's a perfect indentation of this right here.
Look at the plate, dude. Look at the plate. You know.